Hello and welcome to Boxmode tutorials on how to manage your online store. In this video, you will see how to offer your customers some of the most popular online payment methods at checkout, how to enable a recurring subscription for your products or services, how to enable offline payment methods, and how to limit the availability of a payment option by shipping method. Let's get started. To manage payment methods, go to the payment page in your store admin. You can enable multiple payment methods so that your customers have a choice of payment options at checkout. You can add both manual and online payment methods. Based on your location, you'll see the most suitable payment gateways you can enable in your store. If you don't see the payment option you want to use, under the payment alternatives, you can choose from over 100 third-party payment systems. Let's connect PayPal as it is one of the most popular payment processors. By default, your store sets the email address you created your Boxmode account with as your PayPal email. If you don't have a PayPal account with that email, you can create a new one or use your existing account. But make sure to use a PayPal business account, otherwise it won't work. That is it, you have added a PayPal option at your store checkout. In addition to regular PayPal checkout, you can offer a PayPal credit option. It allows your customers to pay for their purchases over time while you get paid upfront. This option translates to higher conversions and is especially useful if you sell expensive products. Setting up other payment options is also easy. Say Stripe. It is another prevalent payment gateway. It allows accepting credit and debit card payments in your store. It is available in over 30 countries, including the USA, the UK, Canada, Australia. It is also popular in the European Union. To connect it, first you must create a business account with Stripe. But before creating an account, make sure that your business does not fall under the category of restricted from using Stripe businesses. Check out their website or contact their support for more information. Once you have a business account with Stripe, connecting it to your store is pretty much straightforward. Just click on Connect and you will be redirected to Stripe sign-in page. Follow the instructions, and after that the setup will be completed and you can start accepting debit or credit card payments via Stripe. If you operate in Europe, Stripe makes it possible for you to add different payment options popular in European countries, such as GiroPay. It is common among German customers, and they may expect it to appear as a payment option at checkout. For countries that are members of the European Free Trade Association, via Stripe, you can enable the SEPA payment option, which stands for Single Euro Payment Area. It's widely popular in many European countries, such as Denmark, Germany, Norway, the UK, and in others. If you have plans to enter new markets in Austria, Belgium, Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, or Spain, connect Zofort payment method. But keep in mind that Zofort has delayed notification of payment success, and bank transfer from your customer's bank to you can take several days. Ideal, the most popular method for online payments in the Netherlands, also can be connected via Stripe. Klarna is another flexible payment method that gives your customers a choice to pay for their orders in installments. You can add all these options in a couple of clicks once you connect with Stripe. Another scenario when you need Stripe is when you want to accept recurring payments for your products or services. To enable it, go to Settings, General, Cart and Checkout, and find Product Subscriptions toggle. Don't forget to include rules for using recurring subscriptions in your store's terms and conditions. Then go to the product you want to sell repeatedly and under Manage Pricing Options, activate the Sell by Subscription option. Select how often you want to charge your customers for this product. It could be once per day, once per week, once per 2 weeks, once per month, once per 3 months, and once per year. This is how recurring subscriptions look from a customer's perspective. A price will be displayed along with the period of the subscription. If you ticked the Allow Purchase Without Subscription box in the pricing settings of your product, a customer could choose to buy only once or subscribe. Once an order is placed, a customer will receive an email with the subscription details and a link to log into their account to manage their subscriptions, check payment history, and delivery statuses. When setting up online payment options, keep in mind that your online store does not process any transactions. They are being managed by your merchant. You manage your funds, any billing questions like refunds in your account with your added payment gateway. Also, keep in mind that different payment processors do charge transaction fees. So you may want to add a surcharge for customers to use a payment method you connected to be compensated for processor's fees. For this, you can consider changing product prices to absorb such fees. Boxmode does not charge any additional transaction fees. Now, let's add a manual payment option. Let's name it Cash Payment. An offline payment option is helpful for customers who don't want to pay online using a credit card or want to pick up their orders in person. But what if you ship your products internationally? Cash is not going to be a suitable option for international customers. It is better to be available only for customers who choose the self-pickup at your offline store. To limit the availability of a payment option by shipping method, go to the settings of your payment method and select shipping methods for which this payment method should be available at checkout. As you can see, you can add multiple payment methods, but keep in mind that too many options can distract your customers from finalizing their purchases. Use no more than 3-4 options. To encourage customers to pay with a particular payment method, you can put that payment method on the top of the list of payment methods. That way it will be selected by default at the checkout. To change the order, click on Actions Sort, grab the required option and drop it at the position you need. Now you know how to manage payment options in your store. This is it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the following video.